Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be doing another declutter and organization video. And the room that we are going to be decluttering and organizing today is my second bedroom. Now in this video, we are going to be decluttering and organizing this room as a whole, but the main portion of this room that I really wanted to declutter and organize was the closet. Now I did do a little bit of a fail for the intro of this video. I forgot to get a before shot of the closet, but as you can see from this clip, you can basically see everything that's all over the room, and that's basically everything that we had in this closet. And yeah, this bedroom closet was just packed full of stuff, basically from top to bottom. So yeah, I apologize that I didn't get the before shot of the closet. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, stop talking, and we'll just go ahead and get right on into this video. So if you'd like to see me declutter and organize this bedroom, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to keep this voiceover pretty short because everything that I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going through each of the boxes and bins that we had in our closet, organizing them, getting rid of things that we don't use, we don't need, and then of course organizing them by category. So keeping all of our Christmas and other season decorations together, keeping my scrapbooking stuff and my Etsy stuff together, and so on and so forth. Alright, and now that I've gone through everything, now it's time to put everything back in the closet in an organized manner. Of course, with the help of my fiance, because as you can see, he's a bit more taller than I am, so it was just a lot easier to have his help instead of me going on and off a step stool a million times. So basically how I organized this closet is I kept everything in their certain categories. So as you can see near the left of the screen, that's basically on the floor of the closet. And of course, we're going to be putting some bins there as well that go with that category. That is all of our Christmas decorations and other decorations like Halloween decorations, our Christmas tree, all that sort of stuff. So that's where I put all of that stuff. And then when we move on to the first shelf, that's where I have yearbooks, photo albums, anything picture related in albums is on one side of the shelf. And then the other side of the shelf is primarily my scrapbooking stuff, including paper, coloring books. And then of course I do have that blue bin, which is just full of miscellaneous things that didn't really have anywhere else to go. And then there is a very top shelf, which you can't really see in frame in the closet, but that's just where we put basically everything else, like my Etsy stuff and things like that. And yeah, for the rest of the room, I'm just going through some of the drawers that are in the nightstand in this room, and then as well as the dresser. So for this drawer, this is mainly where I keep technology related things, and then of course printer related things, since my printer is on top of this nightstand. So this is where I keep paper and ink for the printer. And then for technology related things, I just decided to keep my filming camera together, and then just my phone cases, my selfie light, things like that. Now to move on to the dresser drawers in this room. Now for these drawers, we mainly just use for storage. So I'm just going through some of my things that I obviously keep in these drawers. I decided to take out my precious moments and display them, which freed up some space in this drawer. And then also in the top drawer, that is where I decided to put all of my bags and purses. And yeah, that's basically all that I did for these dresser drawers. Once I was done decluttering and organizing all the drawers in the closet, I just ran the vacuum through this room and then also dusted. And once that was done, the last thing that I had to do was put my filming lights in this room. So since I film pretty often, I don't want to keep taking my lights down and putting them back up. So I just keep them up at all times, and I just decided to put them in this back corner. That way it's not in anyone's way, and I feel like it doesn't look that bad, so that's where I decided to keep my lights. And this clip right here is showing all of the trash that we got rid of from decluttering this room, which I'm very happy with that big of a pile. And here is what the second bedroom is looking like now, since we have decluttered and organized everything. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Same with the closet. I'm so happy how the closet turned out. Even though I did forget to get a before shot of the closet, it really was packed full from top to bottom. So I feel like the way the closet looks now, it's definitely an improvement, and we do have some room to even put some more stuff in there for storage. So yeah, that is everything for this declutter and organization video of my second bedroom. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you enjoy watching these videos, I do have other declutter and organization videos on my channel, which I will try to link down in the description box for you guys for easy access. So if you would like to see those, definitely make sure to check down in the description box. And that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.